Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel at SMDexecutive Academy. If you are here watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button. And if you have subscribed earlier, please don't forget to share our videos for other viewers to view. Today what we are bringing to us today is just for us to contribute to a little understanding between the distance and displacement. We have always been looking at these two quantities. Probably they are looking alike. We used to sometimes mix them up. Distance and displacement. In reality, how can we bring it back to reality? How can we bring it back to realities? Please, I want us to contribute in the comment section. Tell us your view about this. The differences between distance and displacement. Are they the same? Distance and displacement, are they different from each other? If they are the same, tell us in the comment section. If you agree to that fact that they are different from each other, tell us in the comment section. In the next video, in the next video we're uploading, we bring a video telling us, contributing to the comments that we have made in the comment section. So we'll be bringing a video telling us about distance and displacement and how we can understand that distance and displacement in reality. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you very much.